Hi, all you lovely people. I hope you all are doing great. The autumn season is just around the corner, and in this video, I'm sharing beautiful and budget friendly fall DIYs that you can make this fall season. Also, do consider subscribing to my channel for more DIYs, art, and home decor videos. Today I am participating in Fall DIY challenge by the amazing Heidi Sonboul. She is absolutely fantastic in her videos and you should definitely check out her channel linked in the description box. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. In this video, I am sharing two simple and super elegant fall DIYs. The first one is a beautiful fall inspired leaf and pumpkin table runner. To make this, I took two printouts of leaf and a pumpkin and cut it out of felt fabric. Then using brown acrylic paint and a thin brush, I created the outlines of the pumpkin and the leaf for a detailed look. I cut out 3 pumpkins and 4 leaves out of felt fabric, and this is according to the table size that I have. You can create as big as the pumpkin and leaf as you want and as many as you want. Once the paint was dry, I glued all the pumpkins and the leaves together like so. I also added little felt green leaves on top to create a detailed look. Once all the pieces are glued together, I turned around the table runner and then took 2 strips of felt fabric and glued it to the back of the table runner to make it more secure. And this is how it looks after everything is put together. Next, I took a glass jar and glued some fall leaves on all the sides to make a simple fall lantern. This lantern is so simple and easy to make, and it looks absolutely gorgeous once we put a little candle inside. I also wanted to create some felt pumpkins, for which I took a round piece of felt fabric. You can take any size you want to make the felt pumpkins. I took thread and needle and I did a running stitch all around the radius of the fabric. Then I started pulling the thread like so and then filled inside with cotton filling. Once it is completely stuffed, I sewed the edges of the pumpkin like so, and then using the same thread I wrapped it around to create the creases of the pumpkin. I made at least 10 to 12 knots to secure the pumpkin completely. lastly, I took 2 green felt pieces and glued it to the top of the pumpkin to make it into a stalk. To make the stalk, I rolled up the strip of green felt like so and glued it to the top. Then using hot glue gun, I glued the stalk and the base of the stalk to the pumpkin like so. For the next DIY, I created a metallic wreath for which I took 3 wires and twisted them together. Then I took some wooden beads and started inserting them into the wire. You can take as many beads as you want according to the size of your wreath. I have used wooden beads to cover only one half of the wreath. The other half I'm going to cover with some fall leaves. Once done, I twisted both the ends of the wire together to create a round shape. I then secured both the ends of the beads with hot glue gun so that the beads don't fall off. Next, I colored some fall leaves in metallic color using acrylic colors in metallic finish. I also twisted some beads along with wire to add a little detail to the bottom of the wreath. Then I started gluing the metallic fall leaves to the wire like so. I have glued the leaves to the wreath in a very random fashion so that it looks more natural and more realistic. Once done, I colored the beads with metallic paint and the wreath is complete and it looks so elegant and high-end. Finally, I styled the runner on my dining table along with some flowers and some fall decor. I created a centerpiece using a ceramic tray and put on it the fall lantern, the felt pumpkins, a little pine cone, and the fall leaves. I also styled it with a wooden garland for a more edgy look. I added a battery operated tea light to the glass jar and the centerpiece is complete. This looks super classy and I just love it. Both the DIYs look so gorgeous and I love the fall colors in contrast with the black door and black table. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below which one out of the two you like the most. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and share this video with your family and friends. Till then, happy crafting and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.